I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Dito sila sa loob. So yan na, hindi na siya masyadong ma-snow. Okay na, ganda na, cleared na. Clear na siya. Ganda na. Ayan. Pasok na tayo sa loob.
Surprise! Papunta naman tayo ng Lake Minnewanka. Dire-diretso lang.
Ano, Lake Minnewanka?
Is that right? Is that right?
2:15 na lang dito.
Ayan. Ayun, may dumaan doon. Ay, hindi. Dire-diretso pa. Punta na tayo ng Lake
Minnewanka.
Minnewanka.
Waka 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 Minnewanka Ayun naman lang kayo, Lake Minnewanka, 5 kilometers. Lapit na tayo.
Lapit lang pala.
Kakatabi lang sila. Tujak din, no? Tujak, sinabi natin.
Guys,
Why do you have so much video like this?
This is different view.
Minnewanka.
Minnewanka. Minnewanka.
Yeah, you know Ed is filming.
Hi everyone! Hi! Birthday girl! Woohoo! Waka waka Oh, nice! Ooh la la!
Look, Edge.
We went there, remember?
No.
Bakit na tayo ng Baguio?
Baguio may snow.
Mommy,
Yellow.
Mommy, can I have your phone for very quick?
Very quick? No anak, because I'm using for...
Ito na yung Lake Minnewanka. Wala kang makita. Puro puti.
Only a house.
Just a two house there. Yeah, puro puti. Kasi nag-snow. Ito na yung Lake Minnewanka. Ito na siya. Lake Minnewanka. Yung lake kasi, ayun yung tatakpan pa.
1, 2, 3. Okay, Kuya Elia.
Ito na yung Lake Minnewanka. Ito lang yun. Kasi, pa eh. Nag-i-snow pa kasi. Oh, Ellison, don't go too far. Don't go too far.
Volleyball! 1, 2, 3, go! Oh!
Volleyball. Walang magawa kasi yung lake puro pa ice, puno pa frozen pa. Careful. Nag-volleyball na lang sila. Nag-volleyball na lang. Careful. Siguro yung Lake Louie ganito rin. Wala kayong makita rin. Pumunta pa ba tayo ng Lake Louie? Puro frozen lang din naman, puro white lang makikita.
Ay, tara, yun ang ating ating.
Oo.
Tara na, para hindi tayo gabihin.
Halika na, let's go guys. Punta na tayo sa Lake Louie, dali na. Last na yan, tara. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Ah.
Let's go.
Minikuwa, oh, go, Elia.
Shable!
Miniwaka, oh,
Shable!
miniwaka.
Shable! 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 Snowball! Snowball! Enjoy the snowball, Daddy!
Sa Lake Minnewanka. So puti pang lahat. Wala ka pang makikita. Ayun, dumating Lake Minnewanka. Pasok doon. Rosen. Ganda no?
Ganda nga.
Amazing. So ito na ang Lake Louie. Lake Louie. Ayan no, frozen pa rin yung ano.
Daddy!
Dito ka na, wag ka na mag-ano, Elia. Ayan oh. Frozen.
Run, you run!
Lake yan eh. Frozen. So, dito na tayo sa Lake Louie. Lake Louie, Louis. Ayan. Frozen pa yung ano, yung lake. So, nandito na kami doon sa pinaka-lake. Yung inapakan na to. Lake yan eh. Ayan, lake na to eh. Ayan. Kaya nakakatakot kasi doon banda meron ng thin ice. Banda sa pinakagilid. Ayan. Pag na-frozen to, giging lake. Eh, ganda. Ganda talaga ng Lake Louie. Pero gusto kong lake sa lahat eh. Lake Louie. Lake Louie, Lake Louis. Ito maganda kasi may araw na siya. Yan, maliwanag na. Ganda. Maganda, may araw. Ganito lang. Hindi tayo makakapag ano, bangka. Kasi walang lake. Frozen. Ganda, oh. Ito yung pinakagusto kong lake eh, sa lahat. Zoom natin. Ganda talaga.
Sa pagpag.
So yun siya yung sini.
Kaya mo na pagtago ko
Oh, you do. You got it, my eyes. You got it.
Beaver tail. Famous daw yan dito. Gusto nilang i-try. Ano naman? Sweet? With a lot of flavor?
Yeah. See, I like the lots of chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
Tignan ko na rin yung ano yun, kung masarap nga yun. That's a pastry, right? It's a pastry. Beaver tail. Ano? Chocolate?
The chocolate vanilla.
Vanilla. This is?
The ones like the
What's that?
like chocolate and Reese's Pieces.
And then my ice cream tastes like
Yeah.
fun.
Just a bite. Good? Yummy?
Yeah.
Where was ice cream? One, two,
Good? This is, what is that?
wait.
Chocolate, ano? Ice cream. You like it, Elia? Yung gusto ni Elia. This is the band at night. It's the band at night. Ellison, stay here.
It's so good.
Oh, babe, we didn't go to it yet.
No.
Huh? Hi, Ellison.
So cold.
But not really cold. Let's go this the mall. Ito yung pinaka-mall nila, Cascade Shop Mall. That's their mall.
Not this one.
Yeah, that's the mall here. Cascade Mall. Huh?
I know what closes in Tagalog. Sarado.
Sarado. It's closed. Let's go to IGA. Wait for us.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for the car.
Okay, let's go. Ellison! No need na, sisik lang tayo. Huwag na, nabili na tayo na ano. Okay na yan. Nabili na tayo na ano. Ang battery. Ayan na, sige, quiet ka na dyan.
I know he likes
Because you ate too much sugar. That's why you should buy beef cake.
No, look, I'm just like, Daddy, you're the one that didn't give me a
This step slowly.
packet, huh?
Okay.
Step like this.
Where's Ellison?
He's gone. No more. Son.
I'll raise them up.
Where's Elia? Elia's cold. Ellison!
Wait.
Wait, Ellison.
Don't you?
Wait. Ellison.
That's additional prices.
We should save them. Mommy, I got you some. The TV's only for me.
It's inside.
Who's cold? Who's cold, Ellison? Who's cold? Elia. Ayaw magdoble eh. Ayan. Ayaw magdoble ha. Dito na kami sa aming hotel. Yan yung kanauta.
Why, Riley? Why we were like, watch that thing, AI video.
We're here.
They're like so scared. They're like hiding in the back.
That's what's copying ready.
My tablet.
Tired again? Let's go. Pauwi muna siya. Tara, dito ka. Dali, pauwi muna siya dyan. Dito ka na, oh. Ayun, Elisa. Iya, dito ka. Yan. Ayan, sit down there. Yan, magpainit ka. Magpaano ka ng marshmallow. Yan. Ah. Painit ka lang kamay mo. Diyan, diyan mo. Ikot natin. Ayan. Ito na sila ang dry sauna. Tapos ang tawag dito. Ano tawag dyan, Andre? Ano tawag dyan? Hindi, yung paliguan. sauna. Sauna ba? Sauna ba tawag mo? Hotdog. Ha? Wanna stay here? Okay. Init-init. Ano nangyari? Ha? Ano nahulog? Coins? Sa baba. We're here.
Finally.
Open the light. Open the light. Open the light.
Yeah, wait.
Finally, we're home. It's a long day. Everybody's tired. Remove mo yung shoes mo. Ellison. Elia. So bukas, ano na kami? Punta na kami ng Calgary. So dyan muna kami ng Drumheller. Ayan. Tulugan na. Toothbrush lang tapos tutulog na kami. So today is our last day here in Banff. Pero magbe-breakfast muna kami. Right, Leah? So nakaligo na lahat.
And you didn't give me a thicker jacket.
The sticker jacket. My God.
Yeah, but even though I got
So,
one, so
pagkatapos namin mag-breakfast, try to check out na. Tapos punta kami ng Drumheller. So we're going to Dinosaur Museum. At saka dun sa yung tallest dinosaur in the world. Punta kami dun. Yeah. So everybody's prepared na. Bababa na kami. Maya-maya lang. Yes.
before you called this bank,
Huh?
before you called this bank,
What? What fake?
before you called this one bank,
Eh, this is a big one.
yeah.
Let's go. Baba na tayo.
Allison said that. Do I want my slippers?
Yeah, slipper first. Oh, Elia, mag-slipper ka na muna. So, ayan, nakaprepare yung mga bag namin, yung gamit namin.
It's okay if I put
So, yung ano mahal?
Nandito, dalawa.
Dalawa, dyan ha. Ayan, kakain na muna kami, breakfast muna.
Plug mo tayo.
Let's go.
No, huwag mong i-unplug yung kay Ellison.
Hindi na siya naka-unplug.
Kasi
Tara. Double check mo, Edre. Kung nakalak. Edre, double check. Good? Okay. Basta pa buhok ni Elia. Hindi natin dito. Ano ba dito? Another hotel. Makipagkain rin. Mga ganun pa rin. Mga pareho pa rin. Yan na lang. Dyan. Dyan tayo. Dyan. 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 Yan tayo. Kuha muna kayo. Yeah. Kuha muna siya ng pagkain. White bread, Nutella, fruits, same yesterday, muffin, sausage, tsaka hash brown. Sit down na. Sit down na. I'm good. Go sit down. Okay, same breakfast yesterday. Yeah. For Ellison, this pancake? Huh?
there's no apple.
No apple? Fruit salad lang meron sila. Ito ka sa gitna. Sa gitna si Elia. Ilagay ko in the middle. Kuha ako ng pagkain ko. Ikaw na ako ng pagkain. I'll get my food, huh? Same thing? Oh yeah, same thing. Okay, I'll get my food now. Same lang din yesterday. Not bad. Same with yesterday. Okay, ano tayo, nagtatas tayo ng bread. Yan, tapos na. Pwede na natin. Wow, breakfast. Ano tayo, multigrain bread, sausage, hashbrown. Hindi na kumuha ng egg kasi hindi masarap yung egg nila. Ayan, dahil ko tayo ng coffee. Coffee natin. So this is my breakfast.
No banana bread.
Huh? No more banana bread. Maybe later they're gonna refill. Right? Yummy? Okay. Jason kumuha pa ng game. May game to muna sila bago umalis. Just one game and then we're done. Because we're gonna check out at 11. Kasi maraming mga games yung banda sa gilid eh. Kapon niya siya sila. Wag mo yan, Ellison. Maano yan? Who's winning now?
Nobody.
Nobody yet? Okay, we're ready. Going now. We're gonna check out na. Ellison, cross mo muna yung door. Check out muna. Tapos diretso natin sa Drumheller.
No.
Yeah, i-refill natin yung mga tubig niyan. Yan, check out na kami, diretso na sa Drumheller. Tapos ng Drumheller, dala kami ng Calgary. See you in Calgary!
See you, Calgary.
Say see you in Calgary!
See you. See you when I see you.
Okay, so check out na kami. Let's go na, let's go.
Bring that one. We're gonna bring
Tara, wala na bang iwanan? Double check.